What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Stover and this is Stovetop 19. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you as my channel is about to break the 1,000 subscriber mark. I couldn't be more grateful and excited. I also want to wish you guys a happy new year as today marks the first day of 2019. Many of you have noticed and even reached out to me that I haven't been posting as much as I usually do. And that's for good reason. First of all, my wife and I, we bought a new home. Took a little while for us to get moved in, get settled in. Then I had to have some modifications done to the house to get like the garage set up with power requirements and a furnace, all the things that I needed to get it ready so I could go and continue working on all my projects for this channel. Also, our baby is due in less than 3 weeks' time, which we're very excited about. In addition to all this going on, my new business, Stover Customs, has been growing and thriving, and I've been trying to stay on top of that. Stover Customs, we're doing vinyl work, we make t-shirts, we do some metal work, I do some photography and videography work, all sorts of different things, just doing all things that I enjoy, all my hobbies, my passions, trying to bring that all together into one business in addition to this YouTube channel. But everything is back on track. We're very excited and I can't wait to get more content produced for you guys. If you guys would like to stay up to date with all the things that happen behind the scenes with this YouTube channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Stovetop19. And if you want to become a monthly supporter of this channel, please visit the Patreon link in the description below. I would also like to remind you guys that we have Stovetop 19 apparel for sale. Right now we have t-shirts and hats available at stovercustoms.com/store. All purchases go to help funding this channel. So on to today's project. What we're building is a do-it-yourself power rack. This is inspired by the Buff Dudes. If you guys haven't seen them, I'll link their channel and their do-it-yourself power rack video in the description below. I went ahead and reached out to them, let them know that I was interested in doing a video. They gave me the go-ahead to go ahead and link them as they were the ones who came up with this design, and I wanted to go ahead and recognize them for the source of all the information in this video. They're lighting fireworks off. 2 in the afternoon. And there we go, guys. We got the power rack done. I'm extremely excited to have it. It's gonna be a great addition to my new home. If If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Drop me a comment in the comment section down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help this channel grow. In the next video, we're going to be building a do-it-yourself adjustable weight bench to go along with this power rack. We'll catch you guys in the next video.